My father started farming here in 1965. I started off with 50 acres and 8 cows. In 2013 we changed the herd from the high input Holsteins to the grazing system, and then just over 12 months ago we decided to make the investment to put the new parlor in, but a parlor that suits the system, which was the 2448, which we're now milking. We chose the iXPRESS a number of reasons. One, it's the model for the grazing system. We want to expand from 220 cows up to 300 cows, and there's an agent in the area which we didn't have, few other manufacturers have, and also availability. So timescales we were working to, we couldn't get other companies to be able to build the parlor in time. And when we went around looking at the country, it seems to be very reliable when we visited other farms, which was really important for us.
We were milking in a 12-12, 220 cows, which was taking sort of 7 or 8 hours a day at peak times. Now we've reduced that down to an hour and a half milking plus wash up, so there's a huge amount of saving in our day. It's better for the cows because they're standing on concrete for a lot less time, better for staff, and reduced our overall labour and input.
We try and emphasise being a grass-fed system, free range. We're sort of trying to create the premium brand. And we're currently selling to about 40 sort of restaurants, shops, cafes, a couple of schools we supply, and we've also got about 300 customers a week that come to the farm and buy milk from the farm. So when you see the parlour, one of the reasons for having the sort of viewing galleries so that our customers who want to can nip down and see milking at milking time.